Hey, what's going on, Lone Rangers? Super Trucker Tim here again, and today I am going to talk to you about Ford part number F-150-1B, aka CP403. This is also known as the emissions solenoid, and this controls the vapors that go into your canister. And it's super easy to fix, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing is the location. It's located right here, right next to your battery in the front driver's side area of your motor. And you just look down a little bit and you'll see those lines. Now just look down just a little bit, tuck down just a little bit into some wires. So super easy, guys. Just pull your vacuum hoses off and there's one electrical connector. It's that easy. And here's a couple of pictures of what they look like. And it comes with a housing, kind of like it almost looks like a rubber garden hose type thing, a little section of it, and it just fits right over. Take that right off the old solenoid, put it on the new one, and just plug it right in. It's that easy, guys. Well, I hope this helped, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Super Trucker Tim out. Bow, bow.